And lots to talk about in business news this morning. Of course, we now know a new deal has been reached to replace NAFTA. Tyler Orton with Business in Vancouver is joining us now with more on that. And Tyler, that might be the reason why we see the dollar rising a little bit this morning.
Absolutely, 100%. What this new deal is going to do, most importantly for Canada, is bring stability to the economy. And we've had a lot of problems over the last year with getting businesses to put out investment into Canadian companies if there are no assurances that our largest trading partner is going to have a deal with us in any given time frame. We have that assurance with this new U.S.-Mexico-Canada agreement, as they're now calling it. This deal is also going to embolden the Bank of Canada to hike rates going forward. We can expect the next rate hike, most economists predict it will happen later on this month. Expect those going up further as well. That's also going to have an impact on mortgage rates going upwards here in Canada too. The other thing that we should note here is that Canada is making concessions on access to its dairy market, so consumer prices with that regard will be going down in Canada. We just don't know exactly how and when that's going to take place, but a lot of changes afoot for the economy going forward, and I have to say this is good news for the Canadian economy.
All right, and we'll learn a little bit more about that coming up next hour. We'll be going live to Ottawa. But another business news today, this is maybe something that a lot of CEOs around the world are taking note of, and that is what they tweet out, because it could cost them a lot of money and maybe their positions.
Yeah, Elon Musk, he is now going to have to step down as chairman of the board of Tesla, but he is keeping his job as CEO. This follows a deal with the SEC after they brought charges on him last week over a tweet that he made in August saying that he was going to take the company private at $420 a share. The SEC said, well, you were misleading investors with that particular tweet there. So Elon Musk is going to have to pay up a $20 million fine. Tesla, they're going to have to pay another $20 million fine because they were found to not sufficiently police Elon Musk during this entire ordeal. And that's going to be the next question for the next chairman. They're going to have to really rein in Elon Musk. And that seems like a very difficult proposition ahead. He's going to have to be gone from his board's role within the next 45 days. It's going to be an interesting job hunt going forward for whoever steps into that position.
All right, Tyler Orton with Business in Vancouver on this Monday. Tyler, thanks very much.
Thank you very much, Sonia.